Good day everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is FX Major, your mentor, the only doctor that focuses on changing people's lives and the only trader that pierces through the market. So if you are new to our YouTube channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video and share this video. Also comment on the comment section below with regards to your queries, analysis or anything that you want to ask in detail. So be sure to comment on the comment section below, be part of our free signals group on Telegram, support our members by simply sharing your queries on certain things or other currency pairs which you are analyzing, which we can help you understand much more further. And also be part of our free signals group on Telegram. Follow us on our social media platforms and to not miss out on anything that we are going to upload in the near future. So be sure again to like this video. And again, if you saw our previous video or rather our previous upload, you would have seen how we actually managed to analyze the trade which we are analyzing, which was GBP USD. You would have seen how we actually managed to use different strategy which is called the Elliott wave strategy, and compared to other strategies which we already know. So be sure to watch the previous video or other videos which will be of so much help to you guys in understanding in depth how to actually analyze, how to actually cater for highly respected levels. So on this video I'll be actually analyzing US30, which you guys have been actually asking me to analyze. So as you know, US30 is an index and we are going to analyze it as it also has high volatility in the market. But however, we already have our Euro USD trade which we took, but we are currently not looking at that one right now. Let's jump into US30. And again, this is FX Major, your mentor, the only doctor that focuses on changing people's lives and the only trader that pierces through the market. You know guys, whenever you start analyzing, we have to start from a bigger time frame. So let's jump into a daily time frame so we can see the overall market movement, or rather the market structure, how the market actually ranged. Okay, so seeing this, we are actually looking into a much broader market. So seeing this, I can see that we have this top here, another top here, okay, another top here, bottom and top, bottom here, the bottom here, and the bottom here. Okay, seeing that we have 3 tops and 3 bottoms, what this actually means that we have a much broader move from here to here, here to here, 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 before shooting to the upside, respecting our move. So we can see that this is our largest playground and this is our smallest playground. So with this strategy is called a floor and ceiling, which with the ceiling we can see that the market is where the market rejects, so that's our ceiling, and our floor, that's where the market respects or rather supports. So whenever the market ranges or rather plays in this, inside this, like this, we can clearly say that this is our support or rather our floor, this is our resistance or rather our ceiling. And then as soon as the market breaks this floor here, it now reacts or rather plays out as a ceiling to the current market structure. So as soon as the market breaks this overall floor here, which acted in this playground, acting as a floor or a support, whenever the market breaks that floor, or rather this level here, it will now act as a ceiling or rather a resistance for this playground here. Same applies to here. The market, as soon as the market breaks here, this will now act as our this level now, which was our floor for this playground, will now act as a ceiling for this current playground. So this is also why our playground is much a larger playground, because unlike here we have a much smaller playground, and here we have a much smaller playground. Unlike here we have a larger playground. So we have 3 playgrounds which we are currently focusing on or currently seeing, which is this first playground which we have here, the larger playground, the second playground, and the third playground. So we have these playgrounds. Seeing that we have these playgrounds here, we can also see, or rather say that we also have this minor playground which played out here, and also this here, so we have this here which also played out as a playground. So as I've said, guys, that with this overall playground here, the market has to play inside this here. As soon as the market breaks this level now, which is our support for this level here, will now act as a ceiling for this level here, which we have there. It will now act as a ceiling for this level here, and this level here will now act as a support. As soon as the market breaks this level here, which was considered as our support for this level here, will start acting as a ceiling for this level here. It will start acting as a ceiling for this level here, and then this level here will start acting as our support for this level here. And as soon as the market breaks this level, same applies to all this here and here, it will now act as a ceiling. This level here act as a ceiling for this level here, and then this level here will act as a support for this level here, and again continuously. So with that being said, I can also anticipate and see that the market can also range in this type of formation, which can be confusing for most traders. Okay, I don't know if it will be much more clear, but let me check if we can see something of that same. Okay, here it is here. Okay, we can see that we had a move going to the upside, and obviously we have to know that if it breaks here, it will start acting as our support. This level here will start acting as our support. So we can see that we will be expecting this level to act as our support, and then the market will eventually go down, go up, go down, and go up until it breaks at a certain point. But however, we have this here. We have these manipulations here which we have here. So what makes us to be unsure, or rather sure, that this is also a level which we must cater for? Remember, guys, that there are a lot of manipulations in the market. There are a lot of manipulations in the market which will lead us into being unsure on either certain analysis. So with this being said, I can say that this level here was our manipulated level, or rather a level whereby there was a lot of manipulation in the market. So seeing that this is a manipulative, or rather a manipulated level, I can say that I'll have to jump into a 1 hour to see in detail on how to actually cater for this level here, which I'll actually show you on how to cater for that level. Okay, so moving forth, we can see how our high and ceiling strategy is, and therefore we can say that we're expecting trades from, let me actually remove all these drawings. Okay. Okay, I think this is enough for now. I think you guys can actually see more in detail how we actually cater for such moves. Let me also remove this one here so that we can have a much more clear chart, much more clear chart. Okay, so yes, so seeing that we have this setup here, we can also see that since we have this level as a respected level and this level as a respected level, our entry point was going to be at this point here. Okay, so this is what we are actually going to expect for the market to actually give us, as we can see how the levels range. So moving to the current market structure, we can see that we have this level here and we have our top, or rather high level there. So we can see that this actually played out as a good setup, which came from this here, played until here, came here, played here, before shooting to the upside. So we can see and clearly see that this is what we're currently having. So therefore I would take my trade from here up until this point here. Because I can clearly see that from this level here we have a beautiful change of market structure here, and the level, or rather the market, hasn't broken up to the upside. However, if the market does break to the upside, we'll expect a retest at this level here before continuing to the upside and actually have a different approach to the market. We'll have a different approach to the market, as we will be actually expecting buying opportunities. And remember guys, the moment the market breaks our support or the resistance level, it changes direction. So if we have a break to the upside, we are actually expecting for the market to retest us at this level here before continuing to the upside. But if we are not having, or rather experiencing, that breakout retest, we'll actually expect the market to come to this level here before playing at this zone here and continuing to the upside, or if not, have this level play out here until this point here. But however, we're having a beautiful structure here, as you can see that it's playing in our playground, which this indicates to us a beautiful play area where the market actually respects our levels. So seeing this guys, I can actually anticipate and see much more in depth how the market ranges. So let's move into a 4-hour time frame to see if our level will actually be a level whereby we'll be able to enter our trade. Okay, let me do this. Okay, so we can clearly see that the market played at this point here, played beautifully at this point here. After this whole move to the upside, it came to this point here, played out beautifully, and came to this point here. Of course, the market is exhausted, hence why we are expecting US30 to come to this bottom here, play a bit of on this zone here before continuing to the upside. But however, if the market does break this level here, we'll expect a break, a retest, and a continuation to the downside. Let me move to a 1-hour time frame to see if this is what we should be actually looking at and expecting from US30. As you can see, the market is already going to the downside, so this is what we'll be expecting from US30. Okay, we also have this here, which will act as our level. For coming to the downside. Okay, so this is what we are currently and actually expecting for US30 to do. Otherwise, this is all from me, FX Major, your mentor, signing out. And again guys, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel to not miss out on any uploads or any updates that we are going to make in the near future. FX Major, your mentor, signing out.